So here we go with example 12. The functions f and g are defined by f is such that x is mapped onto the modulus of 2x minus 8 and g is such that x is mapped onto x plus 1 over 2. Find f, g acting on x, and I'm sure you know now that we have to work backwards through these. So part A, f, g acting on 3 means we've got f acting on g of 3, which is substituting the 3 for x, add the 1 and divide by 2. So that's f of 2. 3 plus 1 is 4, divided by 2 is 2. And f says, take your input, double it, and subtract 8, and then take the modulus. 2 take away 2 is 4, minus 8 is negative 4. The modulus of negative 4 is equal to 4. B. Solve. f, g acting on x equals x. So g of x first of all, let's replace that because again, just like last time, we're working backwards. It's f acting on g of x. So it's f acting on x plus 1 over 2. And then f is 2 times the input, take away 8, and then we need the modulus. So 2 times the input, x plus 1 over 2, take away 8, and the modulus of that is equal to x. So 2 over 2 cancels, so we get x plus 1 minus 8 is x minus 7. The modulus of that equals x. Okay, so what we've done so far is we've taken this, and this is what we do so often with algebraic questions. We've taken this, which is perhaps unfamiliar, and we've converted it to something that we're more familiar with. So use algebra to simplify. Now, this is something that we know what to do. We need to sketch both graphs and then solve. So we're going to sketch. And we get x minus 7. So we're going to be coming down here, and it would dash to negative 7 where it's negative, and the negative bit gets reflected. So we get plus 7 here. So we've got the line y equals x minus 7, and the line y minus x plus 7. That's our first two lines. So that's that sketched. And now we're going to look at y equals x, which is going to go through here. Y equals x. What do you notice about those two lines? I say two of the lines. These two bits, this line and this line must be parallel because their gradient is the same. They're both gradient 1. Yeah? So this y equals x and y equals x minus 7 are parallel. Okay, so there's only one point of intersection, which is going to be here. So that point is what point we've got to find, and we've got to find its x value. So we've got x equals minus x plus 7 at that point. Add the x across, so we get 2x equals 7, x equals 7 over 2. Finished.